these students are feeding fruit to drones. Well, kind of. They're feeding data to the drones, training them to recognize which fruit is which. It's part of a project by Microsoft and DJI to make drones smarter. This task might seem easy for humans, but it's hard for a machine.
For a baby to know this is an apple, he look at it, okay, there's an apple and different kind of picture, and at the end he can recognize the apple. Somehow it's like machine learning in a way.
This drone has a secret weapon: edge computing. In the past, analyzing images had to be done in the cloud. But with edge computing, all the visual analysis is done in the drone itself, making it much faster than before. DJI and Microsoft say that this technology has many practical applications.
So imagine a construction company using this particular technology and a drone now to inspect building or to maintain building, rather than people building scaffoldings or climbing up, which could be quite dangerous.
Some hope it'll go beyond industrial applications and even save lives.
If someone fell in the mountain and we need to search for that person, it's easier to use a drone, a swarm of drones to search for the person.